Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado delivers the power you need to get the job done, the comfort and amenities you want, and the fuel efficiency that just makes sense in today's world. You'll look good and feel comfortable in the Colorado. Come in for a test drive today.